Real sweet. What you doing is fine. So you're like here, all you're going to do is something else. So you come in, try to move a little bit, move a little bit, and then you go here. Hey guys, one quick, this may help you, many of you know this, but kind of a great way to do this is start it from the poi jong. And one of these details, one of my favorite ways of doing the poi jong is with kind of a cutting energy, this energy here. So I cut down the line, which makes this gansao or guansao a lot harder. As you try to guansao, my hand's in the way. So I almost can go right in with this poi jong, even though it doesn't look like a poi pa, it's the same thing. Right there. So now I got the trap. If he goes for the guansao, my arm's like in the way. This bottom hand is kind of trapped. So I can come in and hit there. So this poi jong is like this. But you can do the same thing. I come through and poi pa. Therefore I never lose contact, my hand's on top. And if the person, you're giving me a lot of attention because you're helping me out. So by helping me out, I can really get a good trap there. Like that. Right? Then you have to always compress the stance. Poi pa, poi pa, guansao, none of it works unless you have to pressure test with your force. So none of this will ever work. I come here and you just do the guansao, bottom hand comes up, boom, right there. Right? So I come in, I can't do it unless I actually compress in. And then still, because of the tension, even though I didn't get the trap, poi pa's right there. So you can see they're related. The poi pa and poi pa jong are related, even though obviously they sound like they are. They're very much related. So if you're having trouble with your partner finding it, you can initiate from the poi pa and then find it. And if the person messes you up, I come in, boom, find it a different way. Or I come to here and you just clasp my arm, boom, I find it here. That's where the relaxation comes in. So if you're having problems kind of getting it through your head how you can find a poi pa in any position, just do a poi jong. Try to go immediately to the poi pa. If the person moves, you've lost it. If they get into a guansao, you've lost it. If they do a tandar, you've lost it. But the next move, you can still get it because you should have moved your force in. So if I come into here, boom, and you just do a tandar, like that, right? Yeah. Okay. So guansao, tandar, like that. I still haven't necessarily lost it. Use your chun kyu, use whatever, but you can still find it. If you're still having problems, hopefully your partner will recognize it and loosen up their hands a bit just so we can train correctly. We're not fighting here, we're training. So if you guys are so similarly matched, let go of the ego a little bit and let the technique come in just so you guys can actually do good training. Okay, back to it.
Get to that point.